I think this is one of the dreams of so many business owners, online business owners, is course creation. And I think it is also like there's a lot of walls up around it because of just unknowing all of the things.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, even today, if you look around, it seems like everyone is having a course, everyone is launching one, and the market is super saturated. But statistics say that the market is going to increase with 32% still in 2025, and it's going to increase with $63 billion by 2027. So it's something to consider still, especially since COVID. A lot of people realize that, online is an option. You don't have to do in-person courses that require you to travel, be there, show up. You can just sit in your comfort of your own home and attend a course, which can, vary based on price, but there's still a lot of options out there. So I would encourage everyone who has an idea to start out and see how it goes.
Yes, wow, what interesting numbers. I freaking love that, and I can see that. I was actually listening to a commercial on the I don't wanna say it was on the radio, it was probably a podcast. Um, there was a college that was offering video online courses, which I had never it's probably a thing, but I just had never heard of it before. I was like, "Oh my gosh, that's insane." No teacher. Or maybe
Yeah.
there is a teacher, but just that kinda, like, pops in every once in a while.
Yeah, it's been a shift lately. Even colleges and big universities offer this to speak to global audience, so you don't have to be, residing in a specific country. You can apply and join that course from a different country as well. And what they usually do is trying to appeal to different budgets. So they would reduce the costs with, pre-recorded videos, pre-recorded sessions, so you can watch them um, within your own space and pace. And then they offer these live Q&A sessions, so that's the only time when the teacher would have to show up. So it also gives space for the teacher um, to be able to do his own thing while students are learning on their own pace, and then show up for the Q&A. So there's also like personal connection going on.
I love that.